Welcome back. Locals of Savarkota, Kunkoli are now agitated. The GSIDC officials and CM Parrikar visited the flood-affected area after a week on Tuesday. But some locals are not satisfied with the CM's assurance. They say we have suffered losses in lakhs and the government should incur these losses. The CM has assured financial assistance to 31 families and a revisit after 15 days.
Already 31 जाणांचे कितें 9-10 लाख रुपया पास जाल्या प्लस कंपाउंडाचे पास जाल्या ते करून घेता.
This is what CM informed the locals after his visit to Konkoli. But the locals are agitated. Some say we have not incurred huge losses. But government should live up to their expectation on humanitarian grounds.
आमगे रांदा आय थिंक भितर उदक आनी त्या दिसा विजीट आयलाय आमगे सीएम सांगता आनी क्लेम कर आनी कितें तो डॅमेज जाल्यार तो ही फारीक करतलो डॅमेज कांय जालना उदकान आमी घोडां ओले जावन आसाय आनी तो म्हणटा डॅमेज आमी मनशां न्हू इतलें पसून काळ आमगे नाल आनी हें जोडो बिडो सगळें उडोवन
कोणागे लुचकोन जालें आपण आनी दुसरी तुमगे कोणागे चुकोन उलो जाल्यार सरागे वचोन मेळाय आनी कंप्लेन आपण आफ्टर 15 days.
Many parts of South Goa were submerged in rainwater. Padya, Savarkota and Kunkoli witnessed floods. 70 to 80 families were asked to vacate their houses. Now people are awaiting assistance from government. Amit Mishra for Prudent.
The High Court took a dig at the state government for its inability to trace terror suspect Tariq Ahmed Batlu. The High Court has asked the Goa government why the appeal against Batlu should not be dismissed. The High Court has given 4 weeks' time to file its reply.
The High Court during hearing observed that Goa government has not been able to serve the notice to alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu for a period of almost 2 years. According to Goa police, Batlu is absconding and even after making many attempts, they have failed to trace him. Issuing a show cause notice, the High Court has asked the state government that why the appeal against Batlu should not be dismissed. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Madgaon railway station with RDX powder, detonator and hand grenade. He was charged for carrying explosive substances for terrorism, but Goa police failed to prove charges in the trial court. In July 2008, trial court acquitted Batlu from all the charges and he was released from jail following acquittal. In 2009, Goa police challenged the trial court's order in the High Court, but Batlu never appeared. The High Court has directed the state government to file its reply by next date of hearing, that is 5th of August. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The I.P.L is a fantastic platform for youngsters to get noticed on the big stage. Raw talents impress during the I.P.L and the national selectors get a good idea of an emerging player from his performances. At the same time, it is easy to get carried away by the huge sums of money on offer for players. Amit Yadav does not want to talk about the dubious episode he was involved in last year, and understandably so. Back after the punishment of a 1-year ban, he advises youngsters to focus on their game.
While the Indian Premier League has provided a dream opportunity for youngsters to play alongside the big players from international circuit, its razzle and dazzle has also tempted some players into unethical practices. Some of the most talented newcomers have been caught up in the web of greed. Talented young all-rounder Amit Yadav was caught discussing his I.P.L contract with 2 reporters who posed as agents during a TV sting operation last year. He was subsequently banned by the BCCI for a year for loose talk and unsubstantiated bragging. However, the 23-year-old has learnt his lesson and looks determined to let his cricket talk from now. Amit also has an advice for youngsters looking to make it big.
Focus on cricket and game, nothing else. ये सब फालतू की बातों में ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. गेम है जो हमें ऊपर लेके जाएगा, वही हमें सपोर्ट करता है और इससे बेटर कुछ नहीं है. सिर्फ क्रिकेट के लिए में ही मेहनत करो.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.